Okay, now let's do it. We talk. Start saying like, okay, here we go. Here we go. Ad of today, Chloe. Okay. How old are you, Chloe? 26. 20. That's the only picture she. Oh, now she got another one. I mean, I'm not really into milk, but, but, nah. Next, a top 22, 5'4". Okay. She's not that bad. She's not that bad. She's not that bad. Then again, though, I don't really dive. I don't really dive into milk. But I mean, I'm not denying it. You feel me? Let's just keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm in bronze rank. I'm in bronze. No, I'm not. I'm not even. I'm not even in bronze. I'm unranked. No, no, actually, no, no. I take that back. I'm ranked. I'm in bronze. I'm in bronze, bro. I'm in bronze. Chat. It's like, what do I do, bro? I know I know I'm not chopped. Am I? I don't like. I've been, bro. I know I'm not chopped, gang. Like, what is going on? Oh yeah. All right, bro. All right. Yeah. Oh, chat. I think I just made it out of bronze. I might actually have got out of bronze. I might not be in bronze. I might be. I think I just ranked up. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Bear with me, bear with me. Hold on, hold on. I think I just ranked up. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I might not be in bronze no more. Okay, okay, yes. Hey, chat, we not in bronze. Okay, okay, let's do it, let's do it. And she 19. She's straight. Okay, okay, 410. Damn, you a little midget, ain't it? Mom, not no offense to all my midgets out there. You feel me? Just you feel me? Boom, bro. Okay, that's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. Oh yeah, I think I'm out of bronze now, bro. Hold on. Okay. Whoa. Emergency go. And I heard this. No! 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 Oh my, she was the one. No, how do I go back? How do I go back? No. How do I go back? No. How do I go back? No, man. Bro. 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 No. How do I go back, man? No way. Yeah, bro. I I didn't drop back to bronze, bro. I was just in silver and I just dropped back to bronze. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. I think we might be good. Um, bro. I definitely went back down to bronze. I was in like gold and then I dropped. Now I wasn't even in silver, bro. I was in gold. Hold on, chat. Hold on. We might have made it out of bronze. Oh, hold on. She's not. She's not that bad. She's not that bad. She's not that bad. Okay. Okay. I think we might skill based matchmaking have started to find me a little bit. You feel me? After we didn't seen what I didn't seen. You feel me? They starting to find me. Okay then. That's what I'm talking about. Okay then. Send a like. Send a rose instead. Nah, we don't have no roses. We gonna send a. Bro, why they get rid of her, bro? Why did they get rid of her, bro? What just happened? Oh yeah. Come on, talk. God, I'm in bronze, bro. I'm in bronze rank, bro. God. Okay. I was gonna say she's good, but then when I just saw this, bro, it's like, bro, what is you doing? Like, what are you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, skip, bro. Just cause of that, bro. Okay, yeah, I see where this is going. Nope. Nope. As soon as I saw the cat, you gotta go. Bro, I can't find nobody like skip game. Skip. Oh, I might be in bronze, bro. Man, I just dropped back to bronze. Holy, bro. Whoa. Yeah, let's just go ahead and skip you early. I need to delete this app. And still. Alright, bro. No. Oh my god. Bro. Oh yeah. I'm in bronze. Bro. Oh, hold on. No, man. Oh, so if you swipe your phone left, you can go back. Okay, bad. Yeah, because I did not mean to skip her. Oh, okay then. You know, she's not that bad. She actually looks good. We're going to give her a like. Oh, yeah. Okay. A little Asian female. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. Hey, and I guess too. I said Asian. Asian. I ain't say East Asian, but you feel me? Asian. Yeah. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't have no problem. Yeah, I'm in bronze, bro. I'm in unranked. Like, my elo. Oh my god, bro. I'm in a whole, like, bro. My elo is horrible. My elo is horrible, bro. Oh my, hold on, wait, go back. So this is the this is my elo. This is my elo. This is what rank I'm in. This is what rank I'm in, bro. Oh yeah, I'm finna get off this app. I'm in bronze rank, bro. I'm in bronze right now. I'm in bronze. Like, dang, what's going on? Like, what is really going on? Oh my god. Oh, hold on. I thought I was in bronze. You know, I thought she was the one. Off of this picture right here. I was like, man, she look good. And I keep scrolling. And it just I go crazy for tattoos. Mmm. I go crazy. Hey y'all, this might be a hold on. How I text. I go crazy for tattoos. I go crazy for you. hold on. I go crazy for you. And we're gonna add a little kissy face. There you go. You feel me? All right, clip then ship. The key to my heart is hot dogs. You're a You're a glizzy goblin. You gobble glizzies, gang. And you just look like you eat hot dogs. Yeah. Chat. Hold on, chat. Hey. This is gonna see what rank. Hey, this is gonna show what rank I'm in. Hold on. This is gonna show what rank I'm in. Let's see, bro. I'm scared to see. Hold on. Bro. Bro. I'm in bronze. I'm in copper. I'm not even in bronze. What's lower than copper? Whatever's lower than copper, that's what rank I'm in. I thought I was in gold because of the other girl. You feel me? I was starting to get some pulls. You feel me? I was starting to get, some good pulls, some from the lottery pick. But I'm in bronze, gang. Let's keep it go. Okay. Hey, she's not bad. She's not bad. You feel me? She's not bad. Okay. If I ask you to follow me on IG at Jazz Hands. Okay, hold on. Let me just do something real quick. Her name was JazhandHand. Jazz Hands 101. Okay. Let's see what she talking about. I mean, yeah, nah, we good. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do it. We talk. As soon as I thought I was out of skill-based matchmaking, this is what they pull. I'm thinking I'm in silver. I'm thinking I'm in gold. You feel me? I'm thinking I'm about to get my rank, my elo. You feel me? I scroll. I change to all black. This is what I get. This look like an off-brand Shamar. Let's just keep scrolling, bro. I might just be chopped. I might actually just finally accept it. I might just be chopped. might be. Wow. 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 Hold on. I know I just said I might be chopped. But they finally messing with your boy and giving me something I can work with. You feel me? This is what I'm talking about. Okay then. Oh, oh, oh. I mean, she not. She had a great hooker. Nah. Actually, now that I'm really looking at it again, nah, she's chopped, bro. Jen, okay. Okay. Chat, we might be getting somewhere, gang. We might be getting somewhere. Hold on. It's just be there. Okay. You know, it's like every time I look at it again, I'll send a like. Oh my god. Well, at least I'm not her type. She said pearly. Oh my god. Blobfish. Hold on, cause I ain't gonna lie, she might be bad. Bad, bad, bad. Scrumptious straight white teeth. Scrumptious straight white teeth. I feel like my teeth is white. I feel like my teeth is white. Hold on, what she talking about? Yeah, she talking about me. She talking about me. University of South Carolina. So she go to USC. I mess with that. I mess with that. Okay then. Okay then. We gonna get a shotty of light. No. Chat. We might have made it out of bronze. We might have made it out of bronze, bro. We might be in silver now. Hold on. Let me cook. Hold on. I mean, she's not bronze rank. I ain't saying she the best on the planet, but you know, we might be out of bronze now. You feel me? I think we're out of bronze. You know. Okay then. Okay then. I feel like we out of bronze. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah. For sure, for sure. Beautiful. Actually, hold on. Ah, I can't go back. Yeah, nah. It's giving like she's slightly a dude, but she's a girl. No. Is she drinking out of a shoe? Ah, yeah, gang. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Just off of that, just yeah. You know, Maddie's not. Nah. Whoa. Okay. Yep. Nope. Okay. She kind. Okay, Nevaeh. Okay. Okay then, Nevaeh. Hey, talk to me then. Beautiful. We gonna add a little heart. Beautiful. You're out of free likes for today? Oh, they just cranked me. It might be time to get off the app, bro. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't think we made it out of bronze. I mean, out of I think I'm in gold. Yeah, my matchmaking is just horrible.
See, just please hit that follow button and subscribe, please. And also go follow my Twitch if y'all want to see more clips like that, because that's really where I'm at. And then I post onto YouTube after those clips are done. But if you want to see them on time, go follow my Twitch. Thank y'all.